Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1967 Camaro, just a convertible, just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. Paint is in excellent condition, black exterior, black leather interior, and a black vinyl power top. You see the hideaway headlights. But as we review this vehicle and look over it, if I go too fast with the camera, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We have over 75 pictures of the vehicle outside so you can see it in better light, and then we have pictures of the interior underside as well on the website. But as we go over the vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, about a mile from the Sarasota airport on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. See the new leather interior. If this car is of interest and you're not in Florida, don't hesitate to still give us a call or visit the website. Our number is 941-355-1955. The website is classiccarsofsarasota.com. We are a full-service dealership, so we can certainly help you with shipping needs. Last year we shipped to 19 U.S. states and 9 countries around the world, so we can certainly ship this car or any one of our cars to wherever you may be in the world. If you have finance needs, we do have several classic car lenders that specialize in classic car lending, so we can certainly get you financed. And additionally, we have some late model lenders as well. You see, again, just a beautiful interior, power top. See the odometer gauges, nice dash cluster. Does have an automatic 700 R4 that's married to the 350 horse 67 Camaro. Just a beautiful car, very iconic Gen 1 Camaro. Kenwood AM/FM stereo. Engine was rebuilt in 2024, so it is fairly fresh build. You see power brakes, power steering. We got a nice little Camaro here. Let's go ahead and get it started up. Just show you that it is a cold start here. Get in. Make sure I have the right key. See a dash cluster here. As I mentioned, the Kenwood. Starts right up. Sounds good. Idling just about 600 RPM. Temp obviously still coming up. Automatic. Kick you back, let you hear the dual exhaust on the 67 Camaro. Again, no condensation or smoke coming out. Wouldn't anticipate that you'd see any with a 2-year-old engine, but again, very well done. '67 Camaro. Does have subframe connector as well underneath. Make sure with the convertible it handles the power. Just a beautiful little vehicle here. If you have interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Just go ahead and rev it up just a little bit here. Engine sounds fantastic. engine sounds, exhaust sounds good. Leather interior is very nice touch, and again, it is a power vinyl top. Go ahead and get it shut off. If you do have an interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com for this 67 or any of the other 100 vehicles we have in inventory. Again, we keep 80% of those are domestic classic, 20% luxury, exotic, and or European. But again, today I wanted to focus on this 1967 Camaro. If you have an interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. Thank you.